So the list of what to bring can be endless for many patients. They all have many different preferences, but my biggest suggestion is to bring a very comfortable pillow. I feel like patients always want their own pillow. If you don't want to use that in labor so that nothing is damaging to the pillow, of course we have stuff to provide, but people always want to be comfortable. Clothes for you, if you're not a big person on wearing patient gowns and that's not your thing, I encourage you to bring clothes that are comfortable, and if you're a C-section, that go up high enough on your tummy that they won't rub. We will have underwear and pads to provide to you, but I encourage that you have those available probably as you go home so that you're not making last-minute trips. We also encourage that you bring a car seat that has a valid expiration date. Many people are not aware that car seats expire, and that every car seat does have an expiration date on it. So I strongly encourage that you check your expiration date on your car seat to make sure it's valid. Car seats also go by weight range of infants, so I also encourage that you make sure that your car seat is sustainable for the weight of a normal newborn. There are circumstances where patients deliver very early and they have those babies that are under 5 pounds, which most car seats are not equipped for. So there may be a time that you bring in a car seat. If you're preterm, we may have to encourage you to go find a car seat that fits the weight of your baby, because it's all about the infant safety and getting the newborn home. Any valuables, I always encourage that patients leave at home. If you feel like you're going to be in your room constantly monitoring, that's completely up to you. We're not responsible for anything that is lost while you're with us. So if you want to bring a camera to take pictures of your beautiful new baby, that's completely fine, but we just encourage that you keep that either locked away, or at the end of the day, if somebody goes home, that you send that home with them.